AIRE stock analysis price predictions for Friday. Is reAlpha tech stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, the very good thing about AIRE or just reAlpha is that it pumped up yesterday and it finally gave me that first break. So we're on a great way there. All that's left is just one more break here, you know what I mean? Like, let me just mark up the top. Boom. If the price doesn't give me a break above 557 cents, there's just no way I'm looking to buy, like genuinely speaking. And with about 16 results in the Discord, I've seen what's printing and what's making me money. Now, without any sort of shift, bro, I'm not buying. Like, it's very, very simple. So let me know what is your opinion on this. It's just that unless I see the price give me a double break or anything, that I'm only then I'll be buying. But yeah, simple. Like, pre-market is about the same price. I just hope there was, you know, gapping up, whatever. But if you want to stay tuned to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.